In this video, I'm going to show you how to specify your preferred payment method. So right now I'm just looking at the page after signing up for an Amazon affiliate account. And so what I could do is I could just click on this button here where it says specify the payment method now. Okay, and I get brought to this page where it asks for my tax information. And for now, I'm just going to skip this and just go down to the bottom. And so you have three options here on how to get paid. You can get paid through an Amazon gift certificate, or you can get paid through direct deposits to your bank account, or you can get paid by check. So for now, let's just select pay by check. And there you go, simple as that. I've set up my preferred payment method.